Hello, so this is my quick review of some Romans that I bought at the weekend. Having been down to Salute, I bought some back with me, and also ordered some online when I got back, just to bulk up the figures. And I got these Warlord Games Hail Caesar series of Imperial Roman veterans from eBay, off Caliver Books. I think they trade as Nanny Og on eBay, and they arrived 2 days after I ordered them. 20 multi-pose plastic Roman veterans, including a command group. So I've actually opened these and made them, but you get 2 sprues with 10 figures each, and there they are. Now you'll have to forgive me because I don't know the terminology of the different descriptions of troops and what their Roman names are. I don't know much about ancient wargaming, but I've always fancied getting a Roman army. So this is the start really of my learning experience. But the command group consists of a musician, a standard bearer, and an officer. You get a set of decals, shield decals to go with them, and here they are. There's about 36 there or something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or more than that. So there's many more than you'll need for the 20 figures, given that some of them don't actually have shields. And there are a couple of round shields, though I haven't used them on this occasion. Water slide decals to go on the shields. So, the figures themselves, as I say, I've built them up already. And here they are. So there's my centurion or officer. Lots of nice detail on there. Nicely sculpted. 3 pieces, so it comes with a body and left arm all fixed, and then you fix the right arm and the helmet and head. So that's our centurion. Musician with the I don't know if that's a wolf skin helmet. And this one, the both arms are separate, so you get one arm holding the instrument and the left arm to grip it, and the helmet or the head. So that's a 4-piece. And our standard bearer with the similar head to the musician. And there are all the bits and pieces on the standard. And again, the arms are separate, as is the standard and the helmet, so that one's a 5-piece figure. You get, if I put them on these, I don't think I have. So you can also add the metal, or I assume they're metal, I don't know, they might be leather. The greaves, the lower leg protectors. Comes with sufficient to do all of the troops, I think. I've not put them on all of them. They're just sort of lightly glue on, and as with most of the figures, you get the body and the left arm as one piece. You choose the right arm holding the weapon, choose the helmet, and add the shield. Now these ones, the shields are depicted with damage, and these are Roman veterans, so the shields depict the fact that they are veteran troops and have seen lots of action. So you get a selection of shields with different amounts of damage on them. Two weapons, the spear, is that called a pilum or something like that, and a sword. And you get, I think, 8 with the spear and the rest with swords. But there are a fair few spare arms left over. This head here is a wounded soldier, so he's not wearing his helmet, he's bandaged up. And again, the battered shield. Well, you can have them as if they're about to throw or standing prone. Just look at one more. That one's got a patch on his eye that I haven't noticed before. So that's the troops. So you get 20 of them. So 17 troops and 3 specialists. And this is the sort of stuff that I have left over. So there's a fair few shields in there. The round shields I didn't use. There's some heads, another centurion head, a few sword arms, a couple of spears or pilums, if that's what they're called, that you can use, I suppose, to make little dioramas. And then the little greaves. So just in the corner there, just there you see a little leg armour. Yeah, there's 4 of them there. A few heads. There's a couple of helmets that don't appear to have a head in them. And there's one. There's a few spare of those round shields. So you can have your choice, various swords in different positions. Now, how they compare? This is so this is a Warlord 28mm bolt action figure. Stocky, heroic, I think they're called. And this is how a Roman compares. So they are smaller, thinner, and not as bulky. Yeah, I think that's about the right angle. So nowhere near as bulky as the bolt action stuff. Nevertheless, a nice little set, which I shall look forward to painting. Well, thanks for watching.